Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Surat location. It is from Gujarat. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in IX Design. They are looking for business development executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, like the candidates should build relationships with the prospective clients, manage sales pipeline, and analyze market and establish competitive advantages, meet and exceed sales targets, maintaining fruitful relationships with existing customers. And coming to the qualifications required, like decent communication skills and IT fluency to understand the project complexity and bid accordingly, and writing and verbal, and knowledge in Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, Guru, people per hour is mandatory, and strong negotiation skills and strong communication and presentation skills, and identifying new sales leads. These are the some qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in which they are looking for Android developer. Coming to the skills required, like the candidates must have a knowledge and high-end interest at designing and coding, and you must want to learn something every day, and there will be challenges every day from Bluetooth to custom protocols. These are some skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Megdo Textiles Private Limited. They are looking for customer relationship management specialist. Coming to the job specification, like minimum graduate with present personality and good look is preferable, computer friendly, and she should be courteous and polite in mannerism, and should hold and manifest a sharp image of the company to the guests and outsiders, and should possess an attitude to serve and help people, fast learner, and should have a great presence of mind. This is the job specification. Coming to the job timings, it will be 9:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. and coming to the salary, it would be up to 20,000 per month. Coming to the job description, like to successfully manage customer relations by being a liaison between the company and the customer, and she will be responsible to manage the data of customers over the multiple platforms like customizer software, Tally, or at different Google Drives, and she has to work after outstanding of the debtors and has to make sure all payments come on time as per the terms decided with clients. This is the job description. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Athos Collagen. They are looking for search engine optimization executive. Coming to the job description, like the candidates should develop optimization strategies that increase the company's search engine results rankings, and research SEO keywords to use throughout the company's website and marketing materials, and set measurable goals that demonstrate improvement in marketing efforts, monitor daily performance metrics to understand SEO strategy performance, and efficiently communicate with other marketing professionals to align goals. This is the job description. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available for junior software engineer in Spectrum Networks Solutions Limited. Coming to the experience required, like the candidates should have experience in ASP.NET MVC, C and JavaScript. 1 year is preferred, and in Microsoft SQL Server 1 year is preferred, and in analysis of code 1 year is preferred. And coming to the required skills, like the candidates should have skills in ASP.NET, MVC, C, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, HTML, Angular are preferred, and SQL Server, and exposure to version control methodologies, preferably use of GitHub. These are the required skills for this job role. Coming to the job type, it will be full-time and permanent. And coming to the salary, it will be up to 35,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Streetrix Technology. They are looking for Android developer. Coming to the experience required, like in freshers and 1 year experienced candidates can apply for this job role. Coming to the skills required, like the candidates should have strong knowledge of current Android development languages like JavaScript, React Native and Android Studio, and familiarity with Google standards and usability. And the candidate should be self-confident and enthusiastic, and strong knowledge of Android SDK including lifecycle SQLite database like that, and React native skills and knowledge will be a plus point. And coming to the candidates profile, like the candidates should be from Surat location and have relevant skills and interests, and ready to work in office only. And women who wants to start or restart their career can also apply for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Melzo. They are looking for a business development executive. Coming to the job requirements, like the candidates should have bachelor's degree in marketing, business or related field, proven work experience as a sales and marketing executive, and high level communication and networking skills, and a passion for sales and answering customer queries, and collect data and prepare sales reports, and should have network connection and understanding of commercial trends and marketing strategies, and ability to negotiate and understanding of marketing skills, and self-motivated and goal-oriented desire to deliver results, and ability to create and deliver presentations, fast learner and a quick thinker, and should have experience in IT or tech. These are job requirements. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Capital Limited. They are looking for field executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, like to conduct various below the line activities for lead generation, and to meet clients and convince them to fill company coupons as per company pitch, and enter generated lead into the online database of company, and share lead generated MIS with the service supervisor on daily basis. These are some job responsibilities. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in SP Textual Private Limited. They are looking for digital marketing executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, like design, maintain and supply content for the organization's e-commerce website, formulate strategies to build lasting digital connections with customers, monitoring company presence on social media, launch advertisements to increase brand awareness. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications required, like the candidates should have excellent understanding of digital marketing concepts and experience with business to customer social media and content generation, and strong creative and analytical skills. These are some qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available in Pleasant INC. They are looking for e-commerce executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, like you will work in team environment and learn software development lifecycle, and you will learn new technologies and develop applications which will delight their clients. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the benefits like autonomy and freedom, above market prey, and staying on top of the latest trends in technology, management leadership training, and certification sponsorship, and work-life balance. These are some benefits for this job role. Coming to the desired skills and experience required, like those are mentioned here. You please check once. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.